Oh! Oh, it was just a truck. Here it is in front of us.
Here, I'm gonna turn the car.
Okay. There it is. It's right here. It's right here. Here's the funnel right above us. There it is. GoPro's running. Look at that wall cloud, dude. You can hear it. Look at that carousel of a wall cloud. Oh, here it comes. It's gonna funnel down. Hail. You're just going towards it a little bit? Yeah. There it is. Here it is. Yeah, you just, yeah. It's in the trees right here. Big hail.
Power plunge is going on.
Yep. Throwing stuff. There it is. It's getting strong. Here it is. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Big trees falling right here. You're good. Strong tornado. Power lines right here. Okay. About to cross it. Right in front of us. Right here, rolling the window up. Trying to. Holy.
We're technically in it.
Yeah, careful. It's crossing. Don't drive into it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh! Dude, watch the road. About to cross it.
Oh my gosh.
Right in front of us. Oh, getting hit with debris. Woo! It's right here. Rolling the window up. Trying to. Holy.
We're technically in it.
Yeah, careful. Here, it's crossing. Don't drive into it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh! strong tornado. Look at that. Big debris in front of you? Don't want this thing to come back at us either.
I want the debris falling from the sky too.
Yeah. Oh, big debris falling from the sky.
No.
Alright, it still's right here though. Yeah, you do. You
got it? You got it covered?
I'm just shooting it, yeah.
Yeah. Told you I'd do it.
Man, it's just raining debris everywhere.
Yeah, it's still off to our right.
It's still off to our right, yeah.
Right there. It's gonna get strong again.
Yeah, I see it. It's trying to come back down. I gotta wipe the lens again.
Yep.
There you go. Big tornado right above. There's the funnel. Raining debris. Wow, that's a beautiful tour. There it is. It's coming down. It's obviously down. Oh, yeah. You want to keep going? Get back out there? I think it's kind of getting away from us, isn't it, or no?
It's right next to us.
Okay. Some debris. Yeah, it's still there.
Cross the road again here in just a moment.
Oh, we'll get across the road.
That was incredible.
Dude. Instead of trying to touch down, they're gonna come all the way down.
It's right next to us.
Yeah, it's still off to our right. It's a little ahead of us. Slow down just a smidge. I'm gonna get a look at it here. There it is. It's right. We're paralleling it, Scott.
All right.
Don't want to overrun it.
Can I get in front of it so you can drone it?
I just want to wait for it to come all the way down, or we're gonna lose.
It's doing crazy stuff at the bottom though.
I know, but it's not.
Okay.
Not yet.
Okay.
Or you'll lose.
Saying you're gonna run it.
I'm telling you right now, not yet.
I'm gonna find out. We're already cut in front of you, right? We're coming into the town of Bartlett.
Okay.
Right, new wall cloud, new area of rotation right in front of us. New area of rotation.
Yeah,
right
let's
there.
make sure we don't lose track of that, Scott.
Yeah. New funnel.
Let's focus on that one.
All right.
I'm shooting this one behind us.
Is it still there? So
Oh, it's still there. It's still there.
All right, let me get a little further up. Let me know if it goes 3D on you, okay?
Yep, it's trying to come down all the way.
All right. I don't know the sunrise, so I can't tell.
You're fine.
Big break in the tree line coming up, all right?